We're currently comprised of 15 pilots and 15 paramedics, all of which support a triad approach to how we do business, which is paramedic services, search and rescue, and then police support for finding suspects on the ground, searching for missing persons, etc. First and foremost, the most active mission that we support would be that of paramedic services. Our paramedics are dispatched, or our crews are dispatched, I should say, to every major trauma case that we have in the state of Delaware, particularly when time and distance are an impediment to getting definitive care to the patient. So we dispatch the aircraft, we then load the patient up, and then provide medical care while we're in flight, getting them to that definitive care to a trauma center close by. It's been exceptional. We've been under contract with Bell for quite some time, which made the decision quite easy to stay with the 429. The customer support and the relationship with Bell has been exceptional. And there are multiple ways that I can outline how that's been done. First and foremost, the Bell personnel have taken the time to get to know the Delaware State Police intimately. They understand what our missions are like and how we go about business. I mean, everybody that we spoke with, from the contract side to the accounting side, our salesperson who we deal with has become a friend of the Delaware State Police. We've had times where we're having difficulty, sourcing parts to have a repair done or an upgrade done, and they stop at nothing to make sure that we get what we need to keep us in the air. Part of that is because Bell's taken the time to understand what we do as an agency. They're quite familiar with the fact that, we're not just providing police support. We're not just doing search and rescue, and we're not just doing paramedic services. So the fact that we have all three of those components involved in our mission allows them to service us better, because they realize what we need, and they know that time is of the essence when it comes to getting those parts in or getting those equipment upgrades in, because that's allowing us to get in the air quicker to serve the people on the ground.